Hello everybody, today we make a chicken valdostana. For the ingredient we got breast chicken, prosciutto, fontina, flour, I want to use a little wine, butter, chicken stock, salt and black pepper. Now for start for the chicken, I gotta do the flour and put back salt and black pepper for the chicken. Now the flour already, I got salt and black pepper. And I mix like this. Now we start with the chicken. And I put a little salt each side. And we use black pepper. Okay, now we turn the chicken and we put on the other side like this. And we do the same like I did on this side. Okay, now it's time to put the chicken both sides flour. And we do like this. We pack a little bit. Okay, I want it to be nice, the flour like that. And we take out and I put it back over here. And we do the same the rest of the chicken. All right, and the chicken ready to go on the stove for now. Okay, now we gotta start with the chicken. We put the gas on, and I got over here butter, and I got oil. Let's start to pour a little oil. I warm up the oil, and I got my tongue over here to pick up the chicken. Okay, and now I want to pick up one piece of butter and we put right over here. Okay, now the butter it's melted, it's nice, and we start put the breast chicken and we start make a nice beautiful color. Now make sure the gas it's not too high. I put it on medium. Okay, you know on the bone of the chicken, I want the chicken to come out really beautiful. Alright, good. Okay, now we turn on the other side. Okay, beautiful. And we leave it stay the same nice color like I got on this side. Okay, now this is both sides done, and now I want to take it out. I put it right over here on this dish. Look how beautiful it looks. And now we make the sauce. I got a flour over here, and I want to put a piece of butter, the melt, and we use a little flour. I raise the gas a little bit. That's enough. The flour, the butter, and I want to use a plastic. I don't want to scratch my pots, because you use a steel, you scratch the pots. After you got a probably get stick. Okay, now I got this. We use a little white wine. Okay, you see, it made a little thick. And now we got the chicken stock. Good. And now we put the chicken back. All right, and now we'll leave it cook a little bit the chicken with the chicken stock and with the wine. Okay, after we gotta put the prosciutto and the fondina. Okay, now this is ready, and we're ready to put the prosciutto, one slice prosciutto on the top of each piece, and we do like this. And 2 pieces the fondina. Each one. Okay, do a little bit more fast. I want to show everybody. Prosciutto e fondina. Prosciutto, prosciutto crudo e fondina. Si è called Valdostana, Val d'Aosta. Now we cover and one of the fondina, it's a melt. The chicken Valdostana be ready. 1, 2, and 3. And no breathe no more. The melt the fontina. Okay, my Valdostana ready to go. And now, turn the gas off. I want to show everybody my chicken Valdostana. 1, 2, 3. Ba-da-bop! And look how nice it look, this chicken. Huh? Now, it's a time to taste. I want to take one piece right over here. Look how nice. Take the knife and we move like that. And see, you want a little bit of sauce on the top or on the side. You put it right over here, like this. When you cut the chicken, you can dip over there. Prosciutto crudo. This is a really good prosciutto. Look like to me. Taste the same when I was working Torino, Piemonte, the Valdostana. A little cold glass wine, it go really good. Salute e cincin ad everybody. A salute. Thank you so much. When you work, you gotta carry everything with you. Everything. You see, this pack over here, it's for my bottle of wine. Over here for my beer. Now, when I was in Torino, this chicken Valdostana, it was $1. Everybody get married. Oh, I want a chicken Valdostana, Piemonte. Piemonte, it's the Val d'Aosta. And I was working in Torino, Piemonte, Rivarolo Canavese, really close to France. It's why I learned a little bit to parler français. Le poulet, ou le fromage. Et